Your vehicle does a lot for you, getting you to work, taking your kids to school, getting you home safe at night. But when something goes wrong, you're suddenly reminded how much you rely on it. That's why choosing the right auto repair shop isn't just convenient, it's critical. A trusted mechanic does more than just fix your car. They give you straight answers, fair pricing, and the confidence that your vehicle is in good hands. They explain what needs fixing now, what can wait, and they don't play guessing games with your wallet. You leave with peace of mind, not unanswered questions. But unfortunately, not every shop operates this way. Too many GTA drivers have experienced inflated estimates, unnecessary repairs, poor workmanship, and surprise charges at the end. Some shops rush jobs, others use low-quality parts or cut corners that leave you with more problems down the road. Worst of all, some won't stand behind their work. That's why InTheGTA.com features a vetted list of the most trusted auto repair shops across the greater Toronto area, including Scarborough, Brampton, Vaughan, Ajax, Mississauga, Pickering, Markham, North York, and across the Durham, York, and Peel regions. These are shops that have earned their reputation through honest service, certified technicians, transparent communication, and real customer satisfaction. Whether you need brake repairs, diagnostics, an engine tune-up, or just routine maintenance, these are professionals who take pride in getting the job done right the first time. You shouldn't have to second-guess your mechanic. You deserve to drive away feeling safe and respected. Don't gamble with your car or your safety. Visit InTheGTA.com to find the most trusted auto repair professionals near you, because your car deserves care you can count on, and so do you.